on my feet at Timberlake Drugstore for probably 6 hours, the most, sometimes 7. And it gets a little hectic there, so my knee would start to hurt, swell. My feet would hurt and swell. So time I would leave work to get home, I got to go 3 flights of stairs. And this is the honest God truth. Before I can even get up the first step, I'm in tears. Because my leg is just so swollen, so bad, and the pain was so unbearable. To the point where at times I felt like I was going to absolutely pass out. So they told me that was good because when you have pain, your blood pressure will go up. And that's what was happening to me. So I went through this for a while. I've been going through this for a long time. I've been on medication, still on medication. Nothing seems to help. Swelling never goes down. Constantly in pain. I have to sleep in a recliner because I cannot lay flat in a bed. So I have to be propped up at all times. And this is my routine every day. This is what I go through. So then I seen Dave on TV, and he had this commercial about this brace, and I'm like, oh, okay. You know, people talk about this stuff, and they say it'll work, and it doesn't work, and you try it. Guess what? This works. I like this. It feels good. It's like it's holding my muscles in place. It's like it's I don't know, I can't exactly explain it, but I can tell you it feels real good. I love it. I mean, I don't know if I can sleep in it. I never tried it, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. So, but I love it. I used to love to walk. I was a walker. People were like, oh, I see you out on 29. I see you at the mall. I see you at the grocery store. You always walking. Is this why you look so young? Because you walk all the time. Well, couldn't do that anymore. I had to stop doing it. I hurt my feelings. I'm sorry. Couldn't do it anymore. And just walking around, I mean, the pain was too bad. I just couldn't do it. Go into the store. I could make it to the store, but I couldn't make it back from the store. Time I would get halfway back, I'm ready to just walk down. I just couldn't do it. So I thank God for this. I do. It really helps. It feels good not to have the pain. It really does. That I can walk around my house, I can cook. I couldn't bend down at one point. I can do this now. I can bend down, but I couldn't do that